Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Coinbase wallet after incorrect network selection step by step clearly. To restore your Coinbase wallet after selecting the incorrect network, start by opening the Coinbase wallet app on your mobile device. Go to the wallet settings by tapping on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Scroll down and select the backup option from the settings menu. If you have already backed up your wallet, proceed to the next step. If not, you'll need to create a backup by following the on-screen instructions. After securing your backup, return to the main screen of the Coinbase wallet. Next, tap on the import option to start the restoration process. You will be prompted to enter your recovery phrase. Ensure you enter the recovery phrase exactly as it was written during the backup. Double-check for any typos or errors to ensure a successful restoration. Once you've entered the recovery phrase, tap on Import or Restore. Wait for the wallet to process your information. Upon completion, you should see your cryptocurrencies listed again. Now, check the network selection at the top of the wallet interface. If it still shows the incorrect network, tap on it to choose the correct one. Select the appropriate network for your assets. Once selected, you should be able to access your funds without any issues. If you encounter any problems during the restoration, consider revisiting the recovery phrase for accuracy. In case of further difficulties, consult the Coinbase support page for additional assistance. Follow these steps carefully to successfully restore your Coinbase wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.